Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to participate in Web3 Airdrops on Binance. So you can go to your Binance apps and you can search Web3, and as you can see there is function Web3 Airdrop. You can click it, and now in this page you can find all the airdrops available. You can join one by one, you can join all of them. As you can see, there is exclusive airdrop. Grab a share of 1,500,000 rewards in say DeFi season, and there are more airdrops here. You can join all of them and you can get reward from them. Let's say I want to join this one, and as you can see there are the tutorials to join. You can follow it. It's very simple, and yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.